The second season of Bhoi Superstar, a talent competition for the youth of Bhoi district, concluded yesterday at the Umsning Hall Auditorium. Out of approximately 15 finalists, Khushi Thongni, a gifted singer, emerged as the winner, securing a cash prize of Rs 25,000 along with a trophy. The closing ceremony was attended by Jason S. Maulong, former MLA of Umsning, Samir Ranjan, head of program and production at Prague News, and Paim Kintiu Seemle Seem of Hima Nongspong. The event was also supported by L. Seemle, CEO of LS Seemle Production. The competition showcased the remarkable talent of local youth and concluded with a celebration of creativity and skill in the district. And now for the weather report.